Transferring money from a Forex card to a Chase bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, reach out to the customer service of the Forex card provider, the bank or financial institution that issued the Forex card. Inquire about the process and feasibility of transferring funds from your Forex card to a U.S. bank account, such as your Chase account. Verify the balance on your Forex card and check if there are any withdrawal or transfer limits. If the Forex card provider allows transfers to a U.S. bank account, request the necessary forms or instructions to initiate the transfer. You will likely need to provide the details of your Chase bank account, including the account number, routing number, and other relevant information. Fill out any required forms provided by the Forex card issuer. This may include specifying the amount you want to transfer and providing details about the destination account. Depending on the Forex card provider's policies, you may need to submit identification documents to ensure the security of the transfer. Inquire about any fees associated with the transfer and confirm the exchange rates that will be applied for currency conversion. After submitting the transfer request, wait for the processing to be completed. This may take a few business days. Once the funds are transferred, verify your Chase bank account to confirm the receipt of the transferred amount.